Hi, this is a quick lesson on how to fold a fitted sheet. So I grabbed each of the corners opposite of each other, put them together, one on top of the other, and now grab the other end, and we're going to do pretty much the same. Grab a corner and let your fingers be the guide. Grab the other, and notice I just directly put it into the other side, matching the corner ends. And now we're going to take both sides that we've already matched, put them together, and do the same. Corner. So now we have all four corners put together, and we're going to fold it up. Put one side up and one side down. Fold it over and fold it over. And this creates a neat folding for your cupboard and gives you perhaps extra space. So good luck, God bless you, and it works well for our family.